Hey guys, welcome back. So in my previous videos, what we have covered, we have seen what is ACS. We have just navigated through all the options available in Campaign Standard. We have seen how can we create profile. In this video, we are going to talk about test profile. Now, what is the difference between a profile and test profile? Profile is an actual user, but test profile is not actual user. It's just used for example, you have already created an email. Now you want to verify it, you want to preview it. So basically you can send that mail to a test profile. Okay, so preview an email, send proof. What is a proof? So a proof is a specific message that allow you to test a message before sending it to the main target. Okay, the recipients of the proof are in charge of approving the message. So nothing but they will just review your message as a whole, like the content is fine, email links, whatever you have given in the email, those are also working fine. The body, the text, whatever you have written in email, that is also looking fine. So basically just an approval process. So for proof as well, we can use test profile. Then for a trap, so for example, if you are using any third-party email service provider or but basically what it will do, the message is sent to the test profile just as it's sent to the main target. Okay, so that way we can verify your client is not actually getting fraud messages, because every message will be sent to the test profile as well. Okay, and if you see this line, receive the email at the same time and in the same condition as your customers, yeah, and keep an exact copy of the mail that was sent, and check that your client list is not misused by your direct mail provider. So basically all those, if for example, if your customer is receiving any spam or fraud message, right, test profile will also receive that message. So that way you can actually check there is nothing such thing happening. Yeah. Now how can we create a test profile? We'll just go to target again, campaign again, and again we'll click on home. Okay, either we can click on this customer profile, or again I just like this way, click on this logo, then profile and audience, test profile, click on test profile. Okay, and the look and feel is almost similar as in whatever we have in profile creation wizard. The only difference is, if you see this usage, we have like 3 options available. Like you want to have this test profile as a proof, as a trap, and if you have noticed, the email rendering option is disabled, because email rendering option is only supported for production, and we cannot create a test profile for email rendering, and the out of the box test profiles, whatever has been given out of the box, those are also the test profiles we cannot delete. Okay, we can either enable one like proof or trap, or we can enable both as well, but other options are quite similar, like first name, last name, middle name, gender, etc. we can give, and then finally we can save the data. So this is how we can create test profile. Okay, stay connected. We'll just explore how can we create audience using profiles. Thank you so much for watching.